Hello everyone, I am Tuan, a leather craftsman from Vietnam. Today, I would like to introduce and review for you a product from TL Handmade, which is a cowhide watch strap exclusively for IWC. Upgrade your IWC with this handcrafted brown cowhide leather strap by TL Handmade. Made with premium full-grain leather, it features a rich brown tone that ages beautifully over time. Each strap is carefully hand-stitched and finished in our workshop, ensuring both durability and elegance. Designed to fit IWC watches perfectly, it offers timeless style and everyday comfort, a true blend of tradition and craftsmanship from TL Handmade. Each strap is hand-stitched with care in our workshop, offering both elegance and durability. Like, share, and follow our YouTube channel at TL Handmade to discover more behind-the-scenes videos and leathercraft inspiration. Thank you.